See, this one's a little bit more watery. Yeah. Some people are saying that this is the new and improved Wetline Xtreme. And then some people are saying it's an addition to the Wetline Xtreme brand. Like it's a new product as opposed to it being the new and improved. I got the tea for you. Coming closer, coming closer, coming closer. Who cares? Okay, that's the tea. Who cares? This side looks way down. This side is fluffier, but I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and then I will be back to show you what the final result looks like. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. First of all, why do I smell things and always touch my nose? Like I put it like basically in my nose. Oh, they smell different too. Oh, I like the way the one smells better. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. It is Key, aka Natural Debutante, and today we are doing a wash and go or wash and boo. No, but this wash and go is a little bit different. It's going to be featuring the old Wetline Xtreme and the new and improved Wetline Xtreme. So if you are into natural hair and a little bit of beauty, I do dibble dabble in beauty, then just go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well so you don't miss any of our uploads. We upload every Tuesday and Friday, Saturday-ish, somewhere around there. But back to the scheduled program. So I was scrolling on YouTube and found out through another YouTuber, I don't even know, there was like a few videos on it, but there is another Wetline Xtreme. So if you know, Wetline Xtreme is one of my favorite gels to use. It was featured in my recent video, like my favorite products. I'll link that up here for you. But I have never seen this one before. So we are used to seeing the one with the green cap. This is the one that I have. They have one that was like this, but with a green cap. But this one has a black cap, so it's a little bit different. The hold is max, which is 10, I believe, right here. The ingredients are different as well. Let me read the ingredients before I start lying, y'all. Yeah, so the ingredients on here are different as well. Some people are saying that this is the new and improved Wetline Xtreme. And then some people are saying it's an addition to the Wetline Xtreme brand. Like it's a new product as opposed to it being the new and improved. And I have the tea for you. I got the tea for you. Coming closer, coming closer, coming closer. Who cares? Okay, that's the tea. Who cares? That is irrelevant. What Wetline Xtreme is doing with their brand, that is irrelevant. What we need to focus on is that we now have two Wetline Xtremes, whether you're using the old one or this one. We have two, and we're gonna compare them today. Right now it's happening. I've done a video with Wetline Xtreme and this Mael Organics Pomegranate and Honey, what is it called? Coil Sculpting Custard. So I've done a wash and go with this. Like the combo. Pretty drying, but still like the combo. So I'm gonna use this and I'm going to do half of my hair with the old Wetline and then half of my hair with the new Wetline. So since this is not a new video at all, I'm just going to put on some music, vibe out with me, and then I will show you the final results. One, this side being the newer one, this side being the older one, but I don't feel the need to explain exactly what I'm doing because, you know, you've seen it before, and I will link the video up here somewhere. So I'm just gonna put on some music. I'm gonna apply the Coil Sculpting Custard, then the gel, old on this side, gel, new on this side, and then I'm going to go sit under the dryer. I'll be back to show you what the final results look like. So I'm gonna put on some music, vibe out with me, and I will be right back. I just finished, and these are the wet results. It's very apparent to me that this side, which is the old Wet n Wild, oh god, this is the old Wetline Xtreme side, is a lot fluffier. It looks fluffier. This side looks fluffier. This side looks more weighed down. The curls are a little more defined on this side, I think. This side looks more weighed down. This side is fluffier, but I'm gonna go sit under the dryer and then I will be back to show you what the final result looks like. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay, so I am back, and I sat under the dryer, got dressed, have some of these, so it's freezing. San Diego, I've been 65 degrees, which means I need jackets on jackets. So I'm not used to cold weather, okay? I'm not used to it, don't want to get used to it. 65 is as low as it needs to ever be. Just saying. Okay, so back to the hair. So this side is the new Wetline Xtreme. This side is the old Wetline Xtreme. So as you can tell, this side has a little bit more volume, while this side is more defined. I like both. There's a time and a place for both, but I prefer this side. I like the definition of this side. It just looks more uniform. This side, it looks good though. This side looks good, but can you tell the difference? Think about it, think about it. Do you see the difference? Oh, new, old, new, old. So applying them was the exact same. There was no huge difference. I will show you the texture of the two. Let me open these first. I will show you the texture of the two so then you can see. The new one is a little bit more watery, and then I will put the ingredients in the description below because the ingredients are different. Okay. See, this one's a little bit more watery. Yeah. First of all, why do I smell things and always touch my nose? Like, I put it like basically in my nose. Oh, they smell different too. Oh, I like the way the new one smells better. Okay, so the new one is a little bit more watery, but it does give great definition, as you can see. I really like both of them, but I would prefer the new one. I do prefer the new one over the old one, just based off of what we're looking at here. This one looks a little more uniform. This one is still very defined, but a little bit more volume to it, which isn't bad because some days I want more volume on day one hair. So yeah, so that is the review of the new Wetline Xtreme. If you have tried this, then go ahead and let me know below. And if you want more content like this, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one. Wake, meditate, and slay.